caught the Aucilla River a few miles up from where it empties into the Gulf at Appalachia Bay after flowing 89 miles down from the Thomasville, Georgia area. Because of its heavy water flow, it remains fresh all the way to the Gulf. Aucilla is a name for an old Timucua settlement. They were a North Florida-based people who may have been the first to witness European arrival at St. Augustine in the early 1500s. The area has evidence of human settlement from up to 15,000 years ago, and the nearby Page Ladson site is one of the best documented and earliest known culture sites in all of North America. The Aucilla River has points where it completely disappears underwater, approximately 30 times, in an area known as the Aucilla River Sinks. The Wassissa River is a smaller 12-mile river which joins the Aucilla a few miles upriver from where we launched. We rode the Gheenoe about 2 miles down the river to the opening at the Gulf and cast it at a school of small sea trout. It is a vast wilderness with no human settlement or infrastructure as far as the eye can see. It is a truly wild and beautiful river, and we are happy we made this brief stop to dip in and dip out.
This is
Inspiring wilderness.